Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. We're delighted to have you join us on this exciting journey of fitness and wellness. Over this and many more videos, we aim to educate, guide, and inspire you on the path to a fitter, healthier you. We understand that starting a new workout regime can be daunting, especially when it comes to muscle building. It can seem like a mountain to climb. That is why, today, we're here to help you navigate through this challenging endeavor. We've meticulously designed this comprehensive guide, specifically targeted towards beginners like you. We'll help you understand the basics of muscle building, the science behind it, and how you can incorporate it into your routine effectively. From the right kind of exercises to the optimum nutrition required, we've got you covered. We'll also debunk common myths associated with muscle building, to clear any misconceptions and set you on the right track. And the best part? We're going to do all this in just 3 minutes. That's right, we promise to provide you with the most concise and effective muscle building guide that you can refer to anytime, any day. This video aims to be your go-to resource, and we're confident it will help you achieve your fitness goals. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's all about consistent effort and gradual progress. So take that first step with us today and embark on this exciting fitness journey together. Let's dive right in. First, set clear, achievable goals to keep you motivated. Having goals is a fundamental part of your fitness journey. They provide you with a sense of direction, a roadmap that guides you to your desired destination. Whether your aspiration is to gain muscle strength, increase your size, or enhance your overall fitness, setting targets is an irreplaceable aspect of your journey. Once you've identified your objectives, it's time to create a personalized workout plan. This plan should be tailored to match your current fitness level and align with the goals you've set. It's about designing the right regimen that will help you climb higher on your fitness journey, gradually, yet consistently. When devising a plan, there are 3 key aspects to consider: workout frequency, intensity, and exercise selection. These elements form the backbone of your fitness regimen, collectively dictate the pace and progress of your journey, aiding you in accomplishing your predetermined goals. While your workout plan lays the groundwork for your journey, your nutrition plays an equally decisive role in your fitness. It's the fuel your body requires to perform, recover, and grow. Concentrate on consuming enough protein, which aids in muscle recovery and growth. Healthy carbohydrates that provide you with the energy to carry out your workouts. And good fats, essential for hormone production and overall health. And don't forget about nutrition. Focus on getting enough protein, healthy carbohydrates, and good fats. Now let's get to the practical part. Compound exercises are an essential part of any efficient muscle building routine. These exercises include squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, among others. When we say compound exercises, we mean exercises that involve the movement of multiple joints at once instead of isolation exercises that target one specific muscle group. This means that when you perform a compound exercise, you're working out several groups simultaneously. This not only helps in building overall strength, but also aids in increasing muscle size faster. But just performing these exercises is not enough. You need to ensure that you're doing them in the right. Maintaining proper form is essential to prevent any potential injuries. Always remember, technique trumps weight. It's always better to lift lighter weights with the correct form than heavier weights with poor form. And while we're on the subject, be aware of the common mistakes people tend to make while performing these exercises. One of the key factors in muscle growth is progressive overload. In simpler terms, you need to keep challenging your muscles by progressively increasing the weights, changing the exercises you do, or varying the number of sets and reps. Only can you ensure consistent muscle growth. And to keep those muscles growing, it's important to progress and vary your workouts. Keep challenging yourself with new exercises, heavier weights, or different rep schemes. Lastly, let's discuss recovery. The rest phase is when your muscles are in the process of growth, hence it should be given due importance. The quality of your sleep affects muscle recovery and growth in a big way. It is important to ensure that you are getting enough rest every night. Be conscious of your sleep patterns and aim for quality rest. In the muscle building journey, it is vital to schedule active rest days. These rest days are your body's way of preventing fatigue and overtraining, allowing your muscles the much needed to recover. We must also acknowledge the inevitable muscle soreness and potential injuries that occur. Equipping yourself with knowledge on how to handle them is crucial. Try to prevent soreness by doing proper stretches and warm-up exercises, and should injuries occur, do not hesitate to seek professional It is essential to understand that building muscle is not a race, but a journey. Consistency is the secret to progress, so stay patient and dedicated. And there you have it. The ultimate muscle building guide for beginners in just 5 minutes. This may seem like a quick run-through, but we assure you, it's dense with practical information that can help you kickstart your journey. If you found this video helpful and beneficial to your fitness goals, you to express your support by giving a thumbs up. This gesture may seem simple, but it goes a long way in helping us reach more fitness enthusiasts like you. Moreover, you can contribute to this community by sharing our videos with your friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from our content. By doing so, you're not only helping them, but also helping us to grow and reach a wider audience. Thanks to our subscribers, we continue to create more insightful content about fitness and health. If you haven't subscribed yet and find our content valuable, we invite you to join our growing community. With your subscription, we can guarantee you'll miss out on our latest fitness tips and guides. We're here to support and guide you on your journey towards a stronger, healthier version of yourself. The success of your fitness journey is a two-way street. We provide the information and you put in the work. If there are any questions lingering in your mind or specific topics you'd like us to delve deeper into, we encourage you to interact with us. Leave a comment below, and we'll do our best to address your concerns in our upcoming videos. We value your feedback as it helps us improve and cater to your fitness needs better. As we wrap things up, remember to stay strong and stay healthy. Consistency is key in this journey. So until we meet again in our next video, keep working hard, keep pushing through, and keep working towards your goals.